Many animals can hide, and many can disguise themselves to some degree, but few can rival the camouflaging capabilities of the magnificent cuttlefish. Cuttlefish can not only change color, they can also change their shape as well as their texture as they morph through seamless variations of themselves. These amazing mollusks with outwardly smooth skin can alter their texture by furrowing themselves into complex folds and ridges. Simultaneously taking on a blotched pattern, they are indistinguishable from the microhabitat they have chosen to settle on. A mere few meters away, a completely different disguise may be in order.